Hi everybody, this is the Hammah Mixer, random team number 7, 3-box break. Guys, this is a fresh case of 23-24 Select International. That was a fresh case. This is the second half of our Optic Hobby case that we started on Hammah Mixer number 1. Good luck, guys. Dice roll got to be ace deuce or higher. We're going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final. SoCal on the bottom. The saucy one is up top. Good luck on your teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, and final. Celtics on the bottom. And Minnesota is up top. There it is. There's your teams. Guys, you guys are going to have Billy on the channel tomorrow too, guys. So this channel literally is going to be live every day. Oh, Magic CWR, my bad. What do we have? Cole Anthony and, I'm sorry, not Cole Anthony. Chuma Okiki and, Anthony Black, them. Fiction said boo. What do we get for Fiction? Oh, Spurs to Powell on a 2-spotter. All right, let's make the best of Fiction. We got Brandon Miller, Kobe White, maybe a LeBron Gold. I missed you on Grizzly. Oh, Royal one spotted the Grizzlies. Wow, Pelicans, what a random for you, for Powell. Yeah, okay, lots of bulls on that one. All right, that one, yeah, lots of bulls on that one. I agree, I agree. I don't disagree. I don't disagree. There's lots of bulls. It's a nice random for Powell. All right, good luck. For $30, gets the first number to 10 or better. So it can be Dragon Scales, it can be a Gold Wave, it can be a True Green, True Gold, or even a Gold Vinyl 1 of 1. Do it for $30. Go. Starting with the 23-24, actually. Starting with the 23-24s. Yeah, guess them for 23-24. If nobody gets them, we'll do a new guess when I start the 19-20. So guess your 23-24, guys, first. Maybe, I'm sorry, I should have been more specific there. My bad. And if we don't hit it, if we don't get a Gold Wave or something better, then we'll do a separate guess for the Optic. hell? Oh, that pack was weird. Alright, we'll start with these two first, and then if not, we'll do a new guess for 1920 when I take out the packs. Good luck. There's Aussie Ryan. See, Aussie Ryan? I told you I'd get it off. Good luck, guys. Victor Base, green, courtside to 50. Jordan Poole, come on, I gotta do better than that. First number to 10 in 23-24 to start. Nice Anthony Edwards, blue to 75. Nice. Timberwolves with a little bit of love. Scoot. LeBron on the red wave. Red waves aren't numbered. Asar silver premier. Ingram red. Levine on the red wave. Lively. Amen on the base. Randall. Blue or green? That's a blue court side of Jaylen Brown. Tomani on the ruby. On the red wave, sorry, red wave. Nicola silver. Amen silver. This product has been an amen. Yeah, I never understood that. Nick Smith. But on the T-malls, they always called the T-malls the red waves. So I never understood it. They should have just kept it to ruby wave. I could be yeah, prism definition, yeah. The T-mall definitions in select and everything else, when they started doing T-mall in 1920 time, that's when they started calling it the waves. Now again, if they updated it in international from T-mall, whoops. Box 2. Jalen Green on the red wave. Shea on the silver. Bane on the red wave. Silver of Coulibaly for the Wizards. Buddy. RPA. Jordan Walsh. RPA for the Celtics. SoCal on the board. Keontae red wave. Cam Whitmore on the red wave as well. Lots of red waves in this one. Don't know if I have any golds here. Chet Silver. Blue of AD for the Lakers to 75. Chet. Shafino red wave. Jordan Poole red wave. And a blue wave courtside of Cam Thomas. Yeah, I don't understand why they change it up. I don't get it. All right. So listen to this one, guys. It's going to be a new guess. Hold on. New guess coming up. All right. Guess the first, or guess the autograph, first auto. Hold on. I'll do it for $30. If it's a gold or better, and you get the guess, I'll do it for $50. Go. So if it's the auto, it's 30. If it's a gold or better and you get it, it's 50. Go. One guess only. We could do a full case of Select International, SoCal. You guys want that? The reason why we didn't do a full case is because the singles, the 3 boxers didn't exactly fly, SoCal. That's the whole reason why we didn't offer it by the full. So then we decided, I looked at it and I said, oh, this would be a good mixer. Honestly, that's what I decided. Most of the full case items that we do offer, it's usually overall priced relatively cheap. If I did a full case of that, it's like a $3 break, you know. And I don't recall ever doing something that's 3,000 here, really. Kuminga's 21-22. We could potentially do like a full case random, but again, that's gonna be like $80 a spot, or whatever the cost is. I don't know what the cost is of it. I know it's a few $100s a box. I know that for sure. Good luck. I like that product too. And I only have one more case of it, SoCal. But yeah, I figured I'd mix it in, you know. It's a good product at a great price point. That's why I mixed it. That's why I did like 19, 20 and stuff like that, you know. Something a little different. Switch up the mojo. I did see the jaw. That was awesome. Yeah, Kobe has autos in this. Signature Series autographs. It's a sticker of Kobe, but it's here. Maybe I could do like a half case random. Let me go get the numbers on a full case random. Yes, Marky, Heat Lover. Heat Lover, is that you? You think I forgot about you already? I don't forget many people, Mark. I might forget their username. Heat Lover 23. It could go next, yeah. Where is it down to? I don't have it on the screen, but it could. Hollow of PJ Washington for fiction. Luka Samanic. It is an error card. Everybody knows that. Him and Kendrick Nunn. True Red, Sacramento. Harrison Barnes to 99. It was okay. Angus wasn't great. DeAndre Hunter, rookies. Hollow of Damari Carroll. Noel. Oh, come on. I used to have a lot of sealed 1920. It's also why I got buried on it. Nasir Little Orange to 199. Thibault rookie. Pete Tosday for the Pacers. RJ. Lime of Ayton, second year. Lime of Trier. Auto. Rookie of Jared Culver. Anybody gets Jared Culver? Jaw, clear for takeoff. Akpala. This case is not... We had a couple of Zions, but this case has not been good. We got 5 boxes left in the freaking optic. Thought it might have been Zion, though. I ain't gonna lie. I thought we might have had a Zion. It was the right color, buddy. It was that same color scheme. Alright, that one wasn't as great of a Hammah mixer. I'm not gonna lie. That one wasn't that great. But it's always fun. It's always fun to rip some older stuff. Was a little rough. Sorry, Paul. Sorry, Fiction. Sorry, guys. It's a fun little stab, though, you know? It's a fun little stab at it. Recap. Our best hits so far in that was probably the our best hits in that was probably, we had like 1 gold auto. I think it was either Carlos Boozer or maybe one of the Pistons. I don't remember. That was about it in that optic case. We didn't have any golds. Yeah, we had a Zion Hollow. Yeah. That was about it out of that case so far. That was the break, guys. Thank you.